Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an important and heartfelt, or should I say a sad update to share with you guys. Over the past few months, I noticed a lot of my videos are not getting views anymore. A lot of people click but don't watch to the end of my videos, even though I spend and invest a whole lot of effort to create quality videos in this channel. But one thing is that the videos are not more reaching people as they used to. This really touched me because I genuinely care about you. So I want this channel to also help you. So after praying and thinking deeply, I've decided to do a full rebrand of this channel. And from today, this channel will now be called Emmanuel's Job Guide. So the thing here is that I've been working remotely for many years, and currently I work remotely too, and I have a real life experience in this job field. So that's why I believe this new direction will be of more help to you, my subscribers. So moving forward, I'll be posting verified remote jobs and work from home opportunities for you. So I'll also be giving you a step-by-step application guide how you can apply for this job. I also teach you how to use LinkedIn, how to create your portfolio, your CVs, and also how to spot out and avoid job scams. I am doing this because I have your best interest at heart, and I want you and many others in this channel to find real life opportunities that can change your life for a better one. So if you are one who wants to work remotely, either as a stay-at-home mom or an introvert like me, or you are just tired of your 9 to 5 job and you want to uh, become one of those that earns online working from the comfort of your home, or you want a practical career guidance, please stay with me on this new journey. Subscribe right now, turn on the notification bell, and write in the comment section what kind of job you are looking for. New jobs will be dropping as soon as possible, and I promise to post regularly and also do my due diligence, sourcing out and verifying the authenticity of these jobs offer. Thank you for trusting me, and I'm really excited about this new chapter, and I believe it will bless you greatly. And see you in my next video. Bye.